Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2021 Porsche Macan GTS. This thing is sweet. Listen to that. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Powered by a 2.9 liter turbo V6. Pushing out 375 horsepower. I mean, just look at this thing. Heated, cooled seats. Exhaust button. Love that. Your drive modes: normal, individual, sport, plus. Drive it in sport. That's sweet. Let's go for a drive. Let me just say right now, this is 10 times better than I thought it was going to be. Before this, I had only ridden in a Macan S on track, which that was sweet, and driven a base Macan. It's really a first taste of a good Macan. And man, is this thing good. I just stepped out of a 2014 911 manual, and you can 100% feel that DNA in this car. I am a Porsche-phile, love it, love the brand. Am I a bit biased? Maybe, but I think this is one of, if not the best driving SUV I've ever driven. That says a lot, and I'm very excited to try the Cayenne GTS Coupe. That'll be pretty cool to try out. I normally don't like to talk about reviews before they happen, but that's on the schedule today, so we'll see if that really ends up happening. Does have a lot of crackles, but you can shut that all off with the exhaust button. I don't know if the crackles are no, they're tuned in crackles, but this shuts them off. But where's the fun in that? They are more aggressive in sport mode than in Sport Plus. They're still there in Sport Plus, but they don't go on for as long. I would say they're about cut in half in terms of time. Yeah, I'll show you. So that's them in Sport. Sport Plus. Wow. First time I stepped on this, I was like, what does it sound like? Because it reminded me so much of something. Ghibli. I 100% think this sounds, at least from the inside, like a Ghibli. And that is a huge compliment, as I thought the Maserati Ghibli is one of the best sounding V6s out there. Look at those downshifts. This PDK makes the best automatic out there. I'm telling you, seriously. Even when you sit there and you do what it's not expecting, it performs like that. Okay, Sport Plus holds revs a lot higher. I love this wheel too. Paddles are metal. Oh, love this car. This is miles better than the base Macan, which is still phenomenal. So to say this is way better than that, that takes a lot. This is phenomenal. I am really impressed. The fact that I would consider trading my Hellcat for one of these, the fact I'm even entertaining the idea of that just shows you how good this thing is. This is awesome. Yep. You're a good car. You're a very good car. And I get why these are so popular now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.